In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a dedicated IP address in Siteground. Whether you're looking to improve the security of your website or enhance the reliability of your email delivery, obtaining a dedicated IP can be a beneficial step. So let's walk through the process so you can navigate it with confidence. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Siteground website. Simply type world.siteground.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once the site loads, the next thing you'll see is the welcoming homepage of Siteground. Siteground is a well-regarded web hosting provider known for its robust service offerings. On this homepage, look to the top right corner and you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a login page. Once there, log into your Siteground account using your credentials. If you haven't memorized them, ensure they're stored in a secure password manager for quick and safe access. Enter your details and then click to proceed. You should now be redirected to your account's dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your Siteground services. Inside your dashboard, you will see multiple options, but what you're interested in lies within the Websites section. Click on the Websites tab. This area is where all your websites hosted on Siteground are conveniently listed, and it's from here that you can manage their configurations. Once you're inside the websites page, scroll through your list of websites and identify the one for which you want to add a dedicated IP address. Directly underneath the website name, you should see several options for different settings. Among these options is dedicated IP. Click on it to proceed to the IP settings page. Now that you're on the dedicated IP page, you are almost there. You'll see an option that reads Add, which is typically located with a button indicating the same instruction. Click on the Add button. Following this click, the site will guide you through the necessary steps to complete your dedicated IP purchase and configuration process. It's important to note that a dedicated IP may have additional costs associated with it, so ensure that you confirm any financial details before proceeding with the final purchase. And there you have it. You have successfully navigated through the process of getting a dedicated IP address with Siteground. Remember, once you have your dedicated IP, you can improve certain security measures and maintain better control over your website's server interactions. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful web hosting tips and guides.